Okay, so here's the, this is a LS with a basically stock bottom end with a head and cam. Was tuned before, running okay, making some changes to it. Went with 102 millimeter on the intake and on the throttle body and the intake. The only other changes I made to the engine would be putting these Proform valve covers on it, which really don't change anything, except for I put the coils on the back of the cylinder heads this way to clear room for the valve cover. Other than that, everything else is in the same configuration it was prior. The other thing I did too, to mess around with this, I slotted the throttle position sensor so that I could rotate it. Right now we have it at the stock position, and going to crank it up and show you what happens whenever back here at the back side of the exhaust. So come around here to the exhaust, we'll crank it up. Now I can take a lot of this out by going up on my adjustable position sensor and actually just cranking some, some build into it and go back and run it again. And when I do this, I can get a lot of that out. Again, I know it hasn't been tuned yet, but trying to rule out anything obvious going on in the process. So when I do this, I can pick up a little cleaner run. So it tells me it's lean, but any ideas that you might have, welcome to share them. Thanks.